What's going on, everybody? Brian here from Working Class Fishing. Let's check out the river, see if there's any shad alive out here. Stay tuned to check some of this out.
And assume my position here. And pitch out there as far as we can. There we go. That's about the right travel lane. Once my line starts to get wet, it works out pretty good. No ambience whatsoever here. Oop. There we go. Fish on. Oh, got a howl. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's a good fish. There it is. That's a shad. I know it is. That's fighting like hell. That's fighting a lot different than a shad. Like this one may just be turbocharged. Look how it takes drag. I don't have the drag set light, but they do have a really soft mouth. Let's see what I got here. I caught a walleye the other night. One's just kind of thumping. Oh yeah, it's just a big ass shad. Look at it. Super herring. That dog, I got a fish. Check this thing out. These things are pretty impressive. So they were introduced here in the 1800s, and man, they just love this river. There's lots of them out here too. So I'll get this guy unhooked. I don't keep them. I just catch and release them. But got one. Fish on. He chased it too. Oh, yeah. There he is. He's out there good, too. I love it when they come up to the surface. I wish they jumped like tarpon. They're a member of the same family. Oh, dude. Thump, 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 thump. Thump, thump. Dang. Hey, don't get me wrong, a Chinook flexes this rod out good too. Check him out. That's a good hookup. Alright. There we go. Mini tarpon. Oh. There he goes. Perfect. Got one. Fish on. Mini tarpon. It's running for me. Oh, there he goes. It's like, oh, wait, yeah, I am hooked. Oh, man. Didn't swallow. Kind of doing this. I love catching these. Right after that boat move too. Come on, dude. You gotta play with them. Remember what Foghorn Leghorn said? You gotta play with them. This one's all tarponed out. Look at that. Freaking juiced. There's a big difference between fish that run from like other freshwater bodies and ones that have to survive in the ocean. The ones that have to survive in the ocean, man, they fight. All right. Love it. You done yet, dude? There you go. Good old classic American shad. Nice hookup too. Fish on. Doesn't feel too big. Definitely got the right thumb. Definitely has the right thumb. Coming in hot. There he is. Another nice little hookup. Shad. It's an American shad. Not really. Some people like to eat them, but I'm not a huge fan of them. Yeah, that's what I do. A lot of people use them for bait, all that. This is a little one. This is a little one. Probably about 2-3 pounds. Go. I always like it. People ask me what the fish are. There we go. Fish on. Kind of a straggler, because that was pretty close. Kind of a rebel there. Tighten up my reel. Thump, 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 thump. Come on, bro. Flex them out hard, just for fun. Go up a little. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one. Now you know you're hooked, huh? Good hookup, though. Wear yourself out. God, they fight. It's like, do they fight hard? Do they fight hard? You're seeing it. You're seeing it. You're seeing it. Oh, that's a slab of a fish. All right. That's a freaking slab of it. Nope, there he goes. Clean release. See you, dude. Yeah, do they fight hard. Oh.
Well, everybody, I hope you enjoyed that video. It got dark out, and I got to get going. But we got some shad tonight. We're going to definitely be going after some more. So make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to this video, and I really hope that you enjoyed it. This is a fun fishery. It's a great fishery for the whole family to enjoy. There's lots of fish in the river. We're just at the beginning of the run. So once again, thank you so much for watching.